Good morning. I am letting the chickens out this morning. Good morning, babies. It literally stormed so bad last night. The thunder woke me up one time and scared the crap out of me. So I know it monsooned last night. So their coop is wet. This is a huge granddaddy long leg. And I think there's another one up here. What is the deal with those? Okay, so this is when the rooster typically wants to be meanish. Good morning. Good morning. Good job. Yes, one of the little stair thingies, whatever, wood piece broke right here, so I'm gonna have to get Omar to fix it. Good job. Have a good day, chickies.